Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder State Capitol Tour. Today we're headed to the Illinois State Capitol in Springfield, Illinois. This building serves as the seat of the state's legislative and executive branches. It became the official seat of the legislature in 1876, marking the sixth iteration of the Capitol building since Illinois joined the Union in 1818. Designed in a blend of French Renaissance and Italianate architectural styles, construction began in March of 1868 and concluded about 2 decades later at a cost of $4.5 million. The Capitol houses both chambers of the General Assembly of Illinois, the Illinois House of Representatives, and the Illinois Senate. It also accommodates ceremonial offices for the governor, executive branch offices, legislative spaces, and numerous conference and committee rooms. The building's distinctive cross-shaped layout comprises 4 equal wings centered around a tall rotunda and a dome clad in zinc alloy, which ensures a durable and weather-resistant silvery exterior. Inside the dome, which we'll see here in just a few minutes, it features a plaster frieze depicting Illinois state history, as well as stained glass windows, including a replica of the state seal at the top of the dome. Standing at 361 feet tall, the Illinois Capitol ranks as the tallest non-skyscraper capitol in the United States. In fact, it even surpasses the height of the U.S. Capitol Dome in Washington, D.C. The dome itself measures 92.5 feet and is supported by solid bedrock about 25 feet underground. Strategically situated here in the county, the Capitol's elevation makes it the highest structure in the county, and also state law prohibits state law prohibits Springfield from building a structure that's taller than the Capitol Dome. We enter the Capitol building itself on the first floor and enter the rotunda. Right off the bat, we see a statue that was sculpted by Julia Bracken. It's right in the center of the first floor rotunda and represents the welcoming of people to the World's Columbian Exposition in 1893 that was held in Chicago. As we walk through this first floor and around the rotunda and down a couple of the wings, we see various pieces of art that represent the history of Illinois, including Fort Dearborn at the mouth of the Chicago River, Abraham Lincoln and others who are stuck on a dam in New Salem, Illinois, a rendering of the village itself of New Salem where Abraham Lincoln spent quite a bit of time, as well as French explorers Marquette and Joliet at a Native American village on the Des Plaines River in 1673. You also may catch a glimpse of the portraits of 12 U.S. presidents. These were actually found and restored in 2008. As we head up to the second floor, I'll have some pictures here of both the Senate and the House of Representative chambers. The legislature for Illinois is in session from January to May. All of the senators' offices are inside the Capitol building, but some of the representatives' offices are there as well as some across the street. There's actually a tunnel between the two buildings that keep them from having to go outside. As we head up to the second floor, this is mainly the governor's reception area, as well as several statues of famous people from Illinois. This first statue is of Stephen Douglas, who was nicknamed the Little Giant. He's best known for his debates with Abraham Lincoln. Adelbert H. Roberts was the first African American Illinois senator. Richard J. Barr was a state senator who served for nearly half a century. Richard Daley was once the mayor of the biggest city in Illinois, Chicago. The governor's office, as well as reception area, can also be found here on the second floor. Surrounding the office are various paintings and sculptures that represent art, literature, peace, and war. Lottie Holman O'Neill was the first female state representative in Illinois. John Wood was not only the 12th governor of Illinois, but the founder of Quincy, Illinois. And here we have Abraham Lincoln, nicknamed Honest Abe, who was President of the United States, as well as served in the legislature for Illinois for many years. This hallway that we're walking down now is known as the Hall of Governors, and here you can find portraits of all previous governors in the state of Illinois. Here's the office of the Lieutenant Governor of Illinois. Oh, thank you. In this room once sat the Illinois Supreme Court. It's currently a Senate committee room. The Supreme Court moved across the street to another building in 1908. I hope you've enjoyed this Wandering Walks of Wonder tour here at the Illinois State Capitol building. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you in our next Wandering Walks of Wonder tour. Take care now. Bye bye.